Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay Rob Trip Pension Loan Program. Ito sa mga senior citizen na gustong mag-loan sa SSS. Alright, panoorin po natin ang buong detalye guys dito sa eskwela webinar. Alright, ng SSS.
For those na receiving retirement pension, for those of you na yung soon-to-be pensioners natin, if you will be receiving disability benefit and death benefit, hindi siya available as exclusive to sa mga retiree pensioners natin. Again, if you know someone, kung hindi man kayo yung mga pensioners natin yan, if you know someone who is financially challenged right now and need ng money, pwede sila dito sa pension loan program being offered by SSS. So, ito program natin nagsimula noong 2018, around August, in-offer again, same since it began, talaga exclusive lang sa mga retiree pensioners natin. Okay? So, sino nga ba yung mga eligible para
Ayan, exclusive lang sa mga retiree na pensionado itong loan program. Ayan, hikayatin ng inyong mga lolo't lola dyan na mag-loan. Sayang, no?
Pag-apply for
at as its loan pa rin to
pension loan program. I hope you are ready.
Sa mga nangangailangan ng pera.
Retirees natin, no? Kasi may mga limitations dito. First off, in terms of age, must be 85 years old or below at the end of the month of loan term. Since ito din po pala, palala ko lang, this is a loan, so babayaran pa rin natin.
Ayan, must be 85 years old. Ayan, below at the end of the month of loan term. Ayan, 84 years and 4 months, 6 months sa payment term. 83 and 10 months sa 12 months. Alright, 82 years and 10 months sa 24 months ang payment term. Alright? Ito yung magandang program ng SSS.
Hindi siya benefit, but the good thing is medyo reasonable naman, especially in payment terms niya, flexible din naman. Hindi siya ganoon kabigat para sa mga retiree pensioners natin. So again, in terms of age, must be 85 years old or below. Kung kayo po ay 84 years old and 4 months right now, you would apply for pension loan. Ang maximum na pwede natin ibigay sa inyo, the payment term for your loan is 6 months. Okay, ito yun. If you're already 83 years old and 10 months, maximum na pwede natin ibigay na payment term for your pension loan, regardless of the amount, is 12 months na payment term. If you're 82 years old and 10 months, pababa, mas younger pa, so 24 months, pwede nyung bayaran yung pension loan. So,
ayan po ang bracket ng age time of availment sa mga pensionera, pwedeng loan itong program.
Naman din siya flexible. Imagine for 2 years no mababayaran yung i-avail nyo ng pension program. So, ibig sabihin, hindi din ganun kabigat kasi mas spread out yung monthly amortization would mean lower yung monthly na mababayaran din lang. Okay, so tandaan lang natin in terms of age, dapat 85 years old or below.
Ayan, sa mga pensioner, no? Pwede ito mag-loan para sa inyong mga gamot, sa inyong maintenance sa araw-araw.
Doon sa, hindi yung application mismo, hindi yung application ng pension program, kundi yung end ng payment term. Okay? Now, so pang kailangan dito is merong my.sss account. Hopefully, all of our members have my.sss account na din. Kanina, dun sa hindi lang, especially yung mga soon-to-be retirees natin, very much convenient for you to create your online account na kasi dito na lang ipafile, diba, yung retirement benefit. Also,
and dapat meron kayong SS.account sa SSS site.
If gusto niyo mag-avail ng pension loan program, my.sss na lang, there's no need for you to visit the branch. Of course, we still consider yung risk if you go out of your homes is to file for a loan. So pagdating dito, online na. Diba? Ganun na convenient ng application in your Ford pension loan program. And kailangan mo po mayroong active and current mobile number. This can be updated din naman on your my.sss account. So make sure.
Ayan, kailangan active ang number nyo sa para sa SSS. Ayan, sa current contact.
Okay, make sure that you have for my.sss updated yung contact information niyo. Kaya itong mobile number for you to receive yung timely na mga notifications with regard to your application dito sa pension loan. Okay? Also, must have at least one of the following ito. Kasi mode of disbursement natin, when hindi siya through check, like any other benefits that we offer right now, it is through a bank account enroll dun sa inyong disbursement account enrollment module. Ngayon, kung retired ka din naman na, of course, meron ka nang naka-enroll na daan kasi doon din pumapasok yung
Ayan, pwede sa mga card, no? Para ipasok ang inyong pension.
pension. So, any passenger
Pension loan program.
participant bank, if you have a UMID card with ATM functionality, yun din pumapasok yung pension ninyo. Diba? So, yun ang gagamitin. Wala naman, if you pay with card, yeah. So, it is available sa mga branches na.
Kaya kung ano yung de-declare nyo sa mga yan, information, mga cards.
Pero kung meron na kayong, again, passionate participant bank enrolled dun sa inyong disbursement account enrollment module, that will be enough para dun sa crediting ng proceeds para dito sa ating pension program. Okay? Diba? Must have no deductions. Simayin natin ito kasi kasama to. Okay, dun sa eligibility. Pag sinabi natin no deductions, ito yung wala kayong binabayarang loan pa kay SSS. Halimbawa yung anong nag-retire kayo, meron kayong unpaid loan obligation, tapos hindi nyo pa siya nabayaran.
Ayan, dapat wala kayong totally na utang sa SSS para makakuha ng PLP.
So, yung pension nyo na tatanggap supposedly monthly, yun yung pinambabayad ngayon dun sa inyong loan. Halimbawa, salary loan yung dati, calamity loan dati, hindi nyo nabayaran ng pan-retirement, so binabayaran pa siya gamit yung inyong monthly pension. So, wala pa talaga kayo natatanggap na buwan ng pension. So, unfortunately, hindi pa pwede makapag-apply ng pension loan. Okay? Pangalawa, must have no existing advanced pension under the SS Calamity Loan Package. Kasi pag nag-offer tayo ng Calamity Loan Package, aside from loans para sa mga members natin, kung kayo po ay pensioner na, you can apply for 3 months advance pension, di ba? So, kung you are still on that duration, 3 months na kinuha yung advance pension, wala pang natatanggap, hindi pa nag-resume yung buwan ng pension ninyo. So, unfortunately, hindi pa rin pwede sa pension loan program. Okay? Kasi, again, kung pangatlo, must be receiving their regular monthly pension for at least 1 month and status of pension is active. So, same din po kasi may nakita na tayo kanina sa retirement benefit. Now, those who would avail the advanced 18 months pension, so hindi pa din siya pwede na unless mag-resume na yung buwan ng pension ninyo talaga. Yung on the 19th month or on the 20th month, that's the time na pwede tayo makapag-apply ng pension loan. Kasi kailangan natatanggap nyo na yung regular, yung buwan ng pension ninyo, at least 1 month and then yung tuloy po. Walang deduction, hindi kayo nag-avail yung
Ayan, dapat active, no? Active yung pension nyo na bago kayo maka-avail ng PLP loan.
itong advance 3 months na pension under Calamity Loan Package, and again, after yun ang advance pension. Okay? Now, pinaka-naantay natin ito. Magkano ba ang pwedeng hiramin
Ayan ang tanong kung magkano ang may loan sa bracket na yan.
dito sa ating pension loan program? Now, how much is the loanable amount? So, it will depend on your basic
Ayan ang mga tanong ng mga senior, Ayan, sa basic monthly pension plus 1,000 additional benefit.
1,000 additional benefit, but not to exceed 200,000. So, 200,000 yung max natin, but again, it will still depend on your basic monthly pension or yung BM.
Ayan, magdidepend pa rin sila sa basic pension nyo,
Okay?
Kung magkano ibibigay nila sa PLP.
Meron tayong mga multipliers dito. Based on your BMP or basic
Kaya
monthly
meron silang competition kung magkano ibibayad ng
pension
SSS.
plus yung 1,000 additional benefit, you can apply for 3 times of your BMP or pwede namang 6 times, 9 times, pwede din 12 times.
Ayan ang loanable amount and low repayment term ng SSS. Alright?
An application kasi nga diba, kailangan below 85 years old at the end of the loan term. So, for 3 times of your basic monthly pension, kung halimbawa, pension kayo ng 8,000 naman, so 9,000 yun, plus yung additional 1,000 benefit pa. So, 6 months yung babayaran yun. If it's 6 times or, 6 times, 12 months yung babayaran. Depende din sa multiplier natin, no? If it's 9 times or 12 times, payable siya for 24 months. Okay? Now, what's the good thing about this?
Ayan, depende Depende sa loanable amount na ibibigay or i-avail. Depende sa hulog nyo rin.
Like, yung mga pensioner natin that are financially struggling right now, they would opt to go dun sa mga lending offices natin, no? Tapos, nisi-surrender kasi din yung ATM. And if it's your choice, okay lang naman. Pero we are offering a better option, no? Sa atin kasi hindi natin pinukumpiska yung inyong ATM. And we make sure na even though you are paying for your amortization dito sa pension loan program, we will still be having a pension take-home at least 47.25%. Diba? So,
Ayan, naiintindihan nyo guys, ay mga lolo't lola at mga senior citizen.
Nagbabayad rin ng pension loan, kayo po ay nakakatanggap pa rin ng monthly pension. Hindi kayo dito mahihirapan. Hindi kayo parang malulubog din.
Pwede na kayo mag-loan sa mga 82 above. 82 years, 85. Ano, pwede.
More details na ito pag binakita ka na yung online application. How to apply for pension loan, ito na kailangan.
Ayan, importante
Advice talaga
paano
natin ngayon is
mag-apply.
through My.SSS. If you haven't created your My.SSS yet, kasi ba ibang tatanong, pensioner na ako bago pa nag-digitalization, bago pa nag-offer ng online application ng retirement. If I'm already a pensioner, can I still create a My.SSS account? The answer is definitely yes. Pwede pa rin naman. So, piliin nilang option doon yung savings account na ginagamit ninyo kung saan nyo natatanggap yung monthly pension. You can still create an online account. So, My.SSS soon will be available in mobile app and yung mga sets natin, self-service express terminal sa mga branches natin. Okay, so how to apply online? Login lang kayo on your My.SSS. Visit niyo aming website na www.sss.gov.ph. Hanapin niyo pa yung member login, key in your user ID and password, and then click on sign in. Tapos, under loans, over niyo lang yung mouse, tutok niyo dun sa loans, tapos sa baba dun merong apply for pension loan. Apply for pension loan. Pag na-click ninyo, dito lalabas, no? Depending on your monthly pension, dito kasi pension is 260. Okay? So, depending on
Ayan, depending sa inyong loanable,
your monthly pension,
sa mga monthly pension.
may kita nyo dyan yung prescribed na loanable amount. Kasi ito pag umabot ng 12 times, hindi na siya kakayanin based sa monthly pension pag binawasan natin. Ng amortization, tapos baka wala nang matira ng monthly pension. Sinasabi nga natin na meron pa dapat natitira at least 47.25% na basic monthly pension. So, tingin lang natin ito ng content.
Alright, please note, 47.25 kailangan na matira sa inyong SSS amortization.
Pero lalabas na agad dito yung option na maximum again times 12 na multiplier. Kung ano yung gusto niyo dito, like, kaya naman na yung monthly pension niyo ito. Times 3, 6, 7, 80. Okay? So, yung maging monthly amortization niya ito, for payable to ng 6 months, ito yung ano niya, payment terms sa taas. So, multiplier, yung monthly amortization. Okay? Now, monthly pension after loan deduction. So, ito yung binabayaran ninyo monthly. Okay? Ito, matatanggap nyo pa rin to monthly. Diba? So, ito yung binabayaran, ibinabawas sa pension ninyo, pero meron pa rin kayo matatanggap na monthly pension. Imagine.
Ayun, may matatanggap pa rin kayo, Kailangan magtira lang ng 47.25. Ayan, sa inyong hulog.
That's how convenient our pension loan programs. Hindi namin hinayang na pensioners natin na mas lalong mahirapan when it comes to payment of this pension loan program. So, mapapansin nyo din dito na meron dito tinatawag na CLI premium. So, this will be a credit life insurance premium which will be deducted o ibabawas natin dun sa proceeds ng inyong pension loan program. Para saan ba to? Yung CLI or yung credit life insurance na premium. Okay? Explain ko lang. Isa sa magandang feature ng pension loan program natin is this will be under group credit life insurance. So, ano ba yun? Halimbawa, in-avail ninyo itong times 3 na multiplier nyo. Tapos, payable siya for 6 months. Ngayon, yung pensioner natin, nakapag-buy na for 2 months. After 2 months, unfortunately, namatay yung member. Okay? So, meron pa tayong natitirang 4 months na babayaran supposedly sa pension loan. Pero, since this is under credit life insurance, yung loan na yun, upon death of member, kung hindi pa man po tapos yung kanyang payment term, considered fully paid na siya. Wala nang pension loan na maipapasa yung sa mag-claim ng funeral or death benefit. So, hindi wala nang iisipin yung mag-claim after death. Funeral death, wala lang may papasang pension loan sa kanila kasi this is under insurance. So, that's a good thing about our pension loan program. Pag nakinamatayan yung loan, hindi pa tapos yung payment term, considered fully paid na siya. Diba? So, ayun. Yan. So, makikita nyo dito, pension, select nyo kung saan makikredit. If you have enrolled more than one disbursement account, so that you can select kung saan you preferred na makredit yung proceeds ng inyong loan. It could be passionate participant bank, tapos yung UMID card with HF functionality. Debit card if meron kayo. So again, ayan, kung nakapili na kayo, kung saan multiplier, halimbawa, with this monthly pension, gusto nyo mag-avail ng times 9. So mangyayari dyan, ito yung monthly amortization, proceeds, so ito yung matitira na lang sa pension. So, mas matagal. Okay, mas malaki yung, you call this, yung multiplier ninyo, like times 9, so na may kaparang ito. Mathematization, babawas sa pensions, ito pa rin, matatanggap ng monthly. Diba? So, kung saan nyo napiling multiplier and then please understand na ito yung sa taas ng multiplier, ito yung inyong payment term. Click nyo lang po kung saan banda dyan, click yung submit kung saan nyo gusto. Either this one, or this. Click nyo yung submit. Tapos, may mag-appear dyan sa summary of your application. So, 9 months, ang multiplier, term of loan payable so for 24 months, yung loanable amount, proceeds kasi babawas natin yung CLI premium, diba? 10, monthly pension, deduction. Tapos, read acknowledgement, authorization, and agreement. Make sure to read all of this, terms and conditions as well. So, mapapansin ninyo, hindi nyo pa makiklik yung submit pension loan application ninyo. You have to view your disclosure statement of this one. Dito kasi nakalagay din yung para applicability of payment from start of amortization up to end hanggang ma-fully paid yung inyong pension. Mag-start pala siya after 2 months para ma-approval. So, close nyo lang to. You can download this one para may reference kayo. And then, close nyo lang siya. Tapos, pagbalik nyo doon, pag na-close na, makita nyo, clickable yung submit pension loan.
Alright, yan. Sundan nyo lang guys paano PLP application through my.sss.
Then, you can click on this. Okay, submit pension loan. Then, you will have your transaction
Yan lang,
number.
ganyan kadali ang paano mag-loan. At turuan nyo yung mga lolo't lola natin dyan.
Yeah, transaction number. Take note of your transaction number. You will also be informed of that, okay, on your email. So make sure na active yung email address niyo. Or you can do that on your notification bell beside your name or initial dun sa homepage ng online account. So, yeah. Okay? So, transaction number. Then, ito yung sa email. Tapos, may option naman tayo no, for those na hihirapan. Meron namang personal filing. Okay? So, you can submit the filing documents to any branch. Dapat pension loan application form. Tapos, SSID or UMID card, dalhin. Tapos, pwede po kayo doon mag-apply nung pension loan. Tapos, pwede din kung wala kang disbursement account, meron yung UBP quick card doon sa na-offer yung ating branch no, para doon mag-credit yung disbursement. Yung inyong proceeds ng pension. Pwede. Okay, yun ang katagal yung crediting. Crediting of the pension loan program is actually 3 to 5 working days. 3 to 5 working days po. Hindi siya calendar day, so every weekdays lang. Kung may holiday, hindi na siya sasama sa bilang. So 3 to 5 working days yung crediting ng pension once approved. Okay, yung question, kagaya din ba siya ng salary loan? Pwede namin i-renew after a year or half. Yung principal is fully paid na. Pwede ba kayo mag-renew? Renewal loan, however, is upon full payment ng yung pension loan. So hindi siya kagaya ng salary loan na half ng term or balances kalahati na lang, ibabawas na lang yung balances sa process ng panibagong pension.
Ayan, pwede pala mag-reloan, no? Re-application ulit.
So, hindi siya
Pag full pay.
Okay? Kung mangyayari dito sa pension loan ninyo is, makakapag-reapply lang kayo once fully paid na yung
Na fully paid.
Okay? And of course, most caring question, how do we pay for this one? Kasi nga, senior na, syempre, do you require us to secure a TRN pa, bayaran to sa mga payment partners no SSS, SM Payment Center, di ba yung mga isang bills payment card, bayad center. So, hindi na ninyo kailangan lumabas ng bahay ninyo just to pay for this one. Yung monthly pension, as I've been showing you earlier, it will automatically be deducted from the monthly pension of our retired pensioner. So, di ba kanina dun sa application natin, meron na dun yung ibabawas yung monthly amortization, okay? Tapos yung matitira, yun ay maging monthly pension ninyo. So, there is no way for your pension loan to acquire a penalty kasi on time naman tayo bibigyan ng pension and automatic yung pagkaltas. Hindi nyo na problemahin na, baka nakalimutan kung bayaran yung pension loan ko kasi again, it will be automatically deducted from your monthly pension. Then first, monthly amortization duly on the second month. Halimbawa, nag-apply kayo ngayong March of 2024, May po yung maging first month amortization ninyo. And again, automatic na lang po yung ibabawas dun sa inyong monthly pension. Okay? So, actually, ganun naman yung, ganun lang sa ating pension program. We have, isa pa kasing program that we need to discuss. Ito kasi mas recurring to every year. Yung next topic. But before that, we'd like to encourage everyone to please follow us on our official social media accounts. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Viber, TikTok. So, lahat po na to ng social media na nakaimpaka sa amin. If you wanna be updated, wanna be informed about the programs, latest policies, ni SSS, make sure to follow us on one or all of our social media accounts para po kayo updated na naging hindi kami ng fake news, online fixers and scammers kasi nga, naglipanan na yun sila, mahirap na mag-victim.
Ayan, tandaan nyo guys, iwasan nyo yung fake news, tandaan nyo yan ang mga site ng SSS. At maraming salamat sa panonood pagkikinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again sa ating the next one, sa ating ESS Eskwela sa Webmar. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and peace out at ingat kayong lahat. and God bless us all sa atin. Thank you so much.